how to transfer money from Current into Cash App. So what we want to do is first load up the Cash App application and click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. From here, we'll scroll down until we see the linked banks section. So just click on linked banks, and then we want to select link a debit card. Now, if you have a current card, you can input the details here, or what we can do instead is click on no card. And right here, it's going to show us a list of all the different banking institutions. So we have major institutions such as Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. And what I'm going to do here is just search for Current. You will be able to see current.com. So just click on the first link that pops up right here. And if we input our mobile phone number, then click on continue. It's going to send us verification, and we just want to verify our current account with Cash App and authenticate it. So once you have gone through this process, if you want to add money from Current into your Cash App account, we will just go all the way back. On the home screen, click on the banking icon found in the bottom left, and we want to select add cash. Now here we can either choose one of these pre-selected amounts or click on the three dots and type a specific amount of money which you want to add from Current. Once we select add, if we have successfully linked our Current account with Cash App, then that's going to take the money from Current and import it into our Cash App account. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.